Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into a custom one on Honor 90. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using the search engine. And now if you go to settings and click on search engine, you should have yep.com in recently visited, and then click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to Yep. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.